In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a video with transparency from Premiere. And this is my logo animation. This is the one I want to export. And as you can see, there's a transparent background and I want to keep it that way. So the first time I tried to do this, it exported with a black background and I didn't know why. So I wanted to talk with you guys and let you know how to avoid that. So here I am in my export settings and I am going to make sure to use QuickTime because that one supports transparency. So if you're in QuickTime, you're doing the right thing, that's good, but you'll also need to change your video codec. So if you don't see that, make sure you've got your video drop down selected and you have your options open here and you're gonna go to video codec, hit that and go to Apple ProRes 4444. That will have an alpha channel. So you definitely want that one selected. And then you're going to go down. If you don't see everything I see, make sure you hit more to give you more options. And what you need to do is go to your depth option and select the drop down and make sure that an alpha channel is included. So here you can go with the 8 BPC or the 16 BPC, but make sure it has plus alpha. That will include transparency. So with that changed, I can now export it. I'm going to export it right to my downloads. And now I will bring it in and show you that it has the transparency that I wanted. So I'm just gonna pop it in and look at that. We can see right through the background of it, just like I wanted. So this is great and obviously super useful, especially for things like this, little logos and stuff. And yeah, I was having that issue where the black background was being included and it was driving me absolutely nuts. So hopefully this helps you guys and you don't spend too much time on that. If it did help, please check out my playlist in Premiere where I have more like this. And thank you so much for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my explainer video channel.